Okay, tutorial tayo for creating a YouTube avatar. Sa YouTube channel nyo, sa lower middle, may plus sign. Click that. On the top right, merong bilog na may red na may star. That's the Gemini logo. Click that. May tatlong choices: create video, photo to video, and create music. Click create video. Then look for make a video with my avatar. Kung meron kayo niyan, that's okay, that's very nice. May mga YouTube na wala pa niyan because it's still in beta testing. So kung meron, click that and you will create your own avatar. Click I agree, then follow instructions. $50. $50. 54. 71. Right there, you go, it's there. Nandiyan na yung mukha mo. So, i-click mo lang yan every time na gagawa ka ng video. Click mo lang yan. Tapos dito sa describe your idea, pag magsusulat ka dyan, lagi mauuna yung script before instruction. So, ang script ko, amazing morning. I hope may natutunan kayo sa tutorial na to on how to create your YouTube avatar. Tapos yung aking instruction is change settings to a coffee shop and change clothing gray t-shirt. So, i-generate na natin. So, we're done. Here.
Amazing morning. I hope may natutunan kayo sa tutorial na to on how to create your YouTube avatar.
Ayan. Kung gusto mo yan i-save, sa gilid, may mga menu. Drop down. Hanapin mo yung save to device. Click mo lang yan, matik magsisave yan.